teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, and the students of Benchmark International School wish all our contestants all the very best. As you know, all cannot be the winners. There will be only one elected representative to these 9 posts. So let us give a spirited fight, that's all.
I'm Anfara Penna from 9th. Hope you remember me. And guess what? I'm standing for the school cabinet election as finance secretary. I won't compel you to vote for me. But if you elect me as yours, as our school's finance secretary, I'll be the nicest and friendliest person that you want me as.
Hi everyone, my name is Hafiz Otisa and I'm from Grade 10. I've been studying in Benchmark for the past 11 years. And now I'm here to inform you that I'm standing as a candidate for the post of the sports captain in the school cabinet election 2021.
Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. So I myself, Fatima Naza, and I'm committing for this whole cabinet election this year in the post of magazine editor.
I'm an observer of grade 80 and I'm representing sports vice captain.
Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Afla from 9A. I have been given 1 minute to tell you why you should vote for me to be your deputy head boy.
Shazna Ives of class 9B Benchmark International School. I'm here to talk about running for the position of deputy head girl.
Hi everyone, hope everyone is safe during this difficult time. My name is Fairuz Faisal from 10th A and I'm standing for the post of head girl.
Hi everyone, my name is Radhana Sivani. I am studying in 9th standard and I'm standing for the post of deputy head girl.
Hey guys, my name is Tanya Isra of grade 10. Here I am, a nominee for the school cabinet election in the post of a head girl.
Good afternoon, my name is Haya Hamza of class 9B and I'm standing for the post of finance secretary.
Hello everyone, I'm Aarti of grade 8 for the SIS election. I'm standing for joint finance secretary.
Hi guys, I'm Sunny of class 8. I'm standing as sports vice captain this year.
So now it's time for me to collect the responses. You can watch and see that I'm collecting the response. Within 1 minute, already 23 responses. The link is fine, perfectly fine. It is working. You check whether you logged in with your benchmark ID. This is restricted with benchmark domain. Already 100 votes. It shows that the voters were curiously waiting for this moment. That's why within 2 minutes, it is 120 responses. So you had worked a lot. Am I right, my dear contestants? So 5 minutes, 200 responses, 200 votes. Still you have 10 more minutes to complete the voting.
The voting was very interesting that we are doing it in online. The effect which we do from school, it is entirely different when we are doing it in online.
No, when these responses are increasing, no?
Yeah.
It's really tensed.
Yeah, we must get maximum, right? It is 254 now.
Yeah, sir. I wanted to say that I'm a bit nervous, but I'm enjoying this voting.
So that is the difference. Here you see, you all are with the device and all your parents are beside you, right? Your dear ones are beside you to see this. So when we had our election in the school campus, you were alone and you had to convey that when you went back home, right? Here it is, everyone is watching, and not you, the candidates or the voters, others are also attending through live webinar or live streaming. almost all those who are interested are watching this. So it's available for the Benchmark family. Everyone is getting this link and everyone is getting this opportunity to watch the election, right? Yeah. Here I stop at accepting responses. Candidates, hope you can see that this accepting response is turned on now. For the last 17 minutes it was on. Now I'm going to stop accepting the responses. That at present we have 273 responses. So shall I? Here is it. So I know that you are curiously waiting for the result and declaring the results, and even your parents are there. My dear children, the one who gets the maximum or the highest votes will be elected, and the other one will have to try next time again, right? There is no winner and loser here. So would you please unmute together all the candidates who are contesting? Will you take it in the true sportsman spirit? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And we won't mind the number of votes we get. The one who gets the maximum vote will be the elected candidate to that particular post. Do you accept that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, shall I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Magazine editor Haira Abdul Latif, joint finance secretary, and Hina Mariam, fine arts secretary, Hamna Hamza, sports vice captain, Muhammad Fadil, sports captain Hafiz Abdul Salam, deputy head boy Radin Shaji, deputy head girl Hena Fatima, and here we go to head girl Fairuz Faisal, and here again head boy Ishanini Parapil. So the school cabinet election 2021 is over now. So thank you contestants, thank you parents, thank you teachers and non-teaching staff for joining from various parts. So let us congratulate our students. Deserve a very big round of applause because we know it was not an easy task. Thank you teachers and thank you students who have joined from various parts. Thank you. Bye.